Yo, what's up, guys? We're back vlogging with Junior. Here we go. Anyways, so we got a special guest appearance today, the one and only. Bringing my stuff. Dang, never bringing her on here again. Anyways, special guest appearance, the one and only Raina Ortiz. We're gonna go chase a waterfall today. Creeks, I think is the name of the waterfall. So hopefully we find it. Hopefully we don't get lost. And I'll keep you guys updated, posted. Show you what it looks like. You know, I've seen pictures, really beautiful falls. So hopefully we get there safely. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey guys, we're back. I'm sorry if the camera's shaking a lot. So we're making our way up to the beginning of the trail. The gate was closed down there, so had to leave the Lamborghini parked down there and walk these extra couple miles to get to the start of the trail. But it's no biggie. I mean, that's what it's about, going out there, getting that exercise, enjoying this walk, enjoying the woods, the beauty of it, and coming to the end destination and getting that moment, you know. So if you guys know what I'm talking about, then give this a thumbs up, or just comment your moment, you know. I want to know what they are. Anything you want to tell the viewers out there? Hello.
Sorry, I was thinking. No, nothing.
Alright guys, I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so when you're going out hiking, you're going somewhere pretty far away from home. We're not too far away, but I mean, we're gonna go get lost in the woods. Not literally, but I mean, just go enjoy ourselves and go see this falls, right? So rule number one is let someone know where you're going. Rule number two is pack your water, pack your munchies, an extra coat, you know, just in case the weather drops. Maybe some toilet paper, a knife, and a lighter, right? Your boy over here, he's got it all. What does your girl have? Just some Yeezys, right? And so, if she goes hungry, thirsty,
You gotta
hey,
share.
hey, every man for himself, right? Right? Dang, I'm leaving her. She's she can starve to death. I'm kidding. I love this girl right here. One of my good friends. Now I wouldn't leave her out here in the cold for some bear or cougar to eat her. Maybe I would. Who knows? No. Who knows? So far so good. We have a mile left before we get to the actual starting point of the trail. But dang, look at this forest. There's still snow up here. That's beautiful, amazing. Yeah, just living it, baby, loving it. Ho ho ho. Alright guys, we finally made it. The start of the trail, there it is. And we're gonna head up that way. Well, what do you think? What do you think so far?
Wish us luck.
Yeah, wish us luck, huh? So, there's a little porta potty bathroom back there, but hey, you know me. Dude, I got bathrooms all around. Just pick a tree, right? Sorry, ladies. Anyways, yeah, let's go after it and let's go chase that beautiful waterfall. So, yeah, we're recording. Making our way up to the falls. Got the river over here on my left-hand side. Can't really see it, but hopefully you can hear it. And yeah. Making this climb up there, baby. Woo! Halfway there, made it to the first bridge. There she is. And there she is too. Ooh, we're doing good so far. We're almost there, guys. I promise. I promise you. Come on, girl. Work, work. Made it to bridge number 2. We're almost there, so close. Just gotta cross this bridge, do a little turn, loops, and we're there. Oh man, what a beauty. This isn't it. But I mean, look at that, what a beauty. Woo! Guys, we finally made it. Check it out. It's right behind me. Let me turn around. I'm gonna change the camera. I'm gonna switch it now. I might edit this part out so you guys can fully see what it looks like facing instead of the face camera. You know what I'm talking about? Hold up, check it out. Alright, so a huge shout out to my lovely friend Raina for snapping a few pics over here. We did a little photo shoot. As you can see, without the shirt, I kept my boxers on, alright. But I did take what do you call it? I didn't take any nude pics. I mean, I just took pictures in my underwear. And it's just for me personally. But if you want to head over to my Instagram, never mind, that's my Snapchat, hold up. My Instagram is juniortommy, so if you want to go check out a pic, head over there. Reina Ortiz, right? Is that your Instagram?
My Instagram is it's Reina_.
Yeah, I'll put it all down in the description so you can go check us out. But I think it's time for some pizza. What do you think? She says F yeah. F yeah. Dang. So which one of you guys is gonna be on the dinner table tonight? And well, not tonight. Dang, look at that. Oh, where's that 7-pointer at? Dang. Wow, what a beauty. Wow. They already know who's alpha though. This guy. So we made it back to the car and we stopped in town. I think it's what was it? Maybe like 10 miles from the hike. Town named Carson, and we stopped at a brewery, Backwoods. Yeah, I think it's called Backwoods Brewery. Anyways, they served some bomb pizza. We got bomb pizza. She got her half pepperoni. She killed it. Congrats.
Yes, I did. Thank you.
And then I got my half vegetarian pizza. You know, still trying to keep it on the healthy side because we cutting. But hey, man, like we burned so many calories.
Sore as fuck.
Yeah, sore, super sore. And you know what I just realized? Tomorrow's leg day. Like, someone shoot me. No, don't. But yeah, I'm gonna leave it as every day go out there, do something fun, invite a buddy, and yeah, man, just live your life. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Stay tuned. Oh man, what was that? That was a fail. What was that? I was trying to like high five these guys or fist pump them. Alright, peace.